most important. Okay, and the teaching style, everything I'll explain. Okay, online students, if any doubts are there, end of the session I'll give time for doubts. At the time you can ask. Okay, end of the session you can ask any doubt. I'll give time for doubts. See, course name is Full Stack Java Developer Program. Full Stack Java Developer Program. Okay. See, today no need to write notes, just listen the class. Everything I'll give notes also, Google Classroom link also, PDF files also I'll share, everything I'll cover. Okay. Today just listen the class. Okay. See, course name is Full Stack Java Developer Program. This course divided into 5 modules. First one, Java modules. In this Java modules, core Java will be there, advanced Java will be there, Hibernate will be there, and Spring will be there. Okay, like this, Java modules. See, the complete course divided into 5 modules. Complete course divided into 5 modules. Okay. Now, first module, Java modules. In that Java modules, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, these all will be covered. Second one, database module. Here, SQL, PLSQL, nothing but in an Oracle database. Oracle database will be covered. Oracle, SQL, PLSQL, like this. Okay. Third one, UI modules, user interface modules. In this, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, Angular, these all will be covered in these modules. Okay. Fourth one, testing modules. Testing modules. Here, manual testing and Selenium automation and JUnit, these all will be covered. Fifth one, development security operations modules. Here, Maven, Gradle, Log4j, like AWS CloudWatch, like this, so many tools are there. These all will be covered. See, about course I'll explain. After that, what is Java I'll explain, and core Java, advanced Java, how these words introduced, that is I'll explain, and course duration, how to learn Java, but how many days this course, and the way how to complete these many modules very quickly, that is also I'll explain. See, course name is Full Stack Java Developer Program. Course name is Full Stack Java Developer Program. In that, you are going to learn 6 to 7:30 time, this class time. First, you are going to learn core Java. In that, so here first module, Java modules, that is core Java, you are going to learn. Okay. This class, core Java. In a core Java, suppose you want to join only for core Java. Now, only for core Java also you can join. If you want to join for full stack Java, you can join for full stack Java. Okay. Like if you want to join only for Java, core Java also you can join. If you want to join for full stack Java also you can join. Whichever you want, that is you can join. Now, this first of all, what exactly full stack Java? That is I'm going to explain. Okay. Everything I'll cover. Don't worry about subject. Don't worry about duration. Don't worry about notes also. I'll give notes also. I'll give running notes I'll give PDF files, I'll share in Google Classroom. That Google Classroom link also will get it. After 4 or 5 days, you'll get a Google Classroom link. And running notes also I'll give. Examples also I'll give. And PDF files also I'll give. And weekly assignments I'll conduct. Weekly test also I'll conduct. Then only you'll get a subject. Because it is technical subject. Lots of practice required. So learning programming language not so easy. You need to put more efforts, then only possible. So only I'm teaching, you are watching, you are feeling like a theater, you are watching like a movie means you will not get a subject. Okay. You need to put efforts, you have to work hard. Then only it is possible. Because learning programming language not easy. You need to put efforts, then only possible. The two technical subject, lots of practice required. That is the reason every day I'll interact with you. Every day. After teaching, every day I'll interact with you. At that time, you have to respond. Your answer can be right or wrong. I'll interact with you. I'll ask questions. First, I'll teach. After teaching only, I'll ask questions. Then you have to respond. You have to give answer. Your answer can be right or wrong, but you have to try to give answer. Then you will get a logical thinking. So then only your logical thinking will improve. If I don't ask any question, you are watching, you are writing notes means you will not get a subject. Now that's what every day first I'll teach. After teaching, I'll interact with you. I'll ask questions. You have to give answers. So online students, just listen the class. Listen the class. End of the session, every day I'll give a time. Okay. Every day I'll give a time for doubts. Today also I'll give. Every day I'll explain. I'll give time for doubts. End of the session. Because it is not one-to-one session. Okay. Every day I'll interact with you. And every day I'll give time for doubts also for online students. No need to worry. Now first listen the class. While teaching, if any doubt comes, write it in your notebook. End of the time, end of the class, I'll give a time. At the time you can ask. First listen the class. See, suppose any one concept, suppose abstract class or interface or encapsulation or polymorphism, any one concept. After teaching, I'll ask questions. Then you have to think and you have to give answer. Your answer can be right or wrong, but you have to try to open mouth and give answer. Then you'll get a logical thinking. With that, you'll get a subject. But only after teaching, suppose after teaching, if I ask whether you understood or not, if I ask, then every student will give understood only. Okay. Just after teaching one concept, if I ask question, whether you understood or not, if I ask, every student will give understood only. Then what you will feel? You will feel you understood. I'll feel all understood. Only feeling, no subject. Okay. That's what. After teaching, I'll ask questions. You given right answer means you understood. You given wrong answer means you didn't understand. Then immediately you will get it your status. Whether that today class understood or not, you will get it your status. And majority people given wrong answer, suppose. Then I'll take one more example. Then total classroom status also I can understand. Based on that, I can take one more example. Suppose majority people given right answer, I'll go for next concept. Okay. Like that, every day I'll interact with you. Every day. Okay. Say, and even how to learn Java. It is most important for your career, because so many students already they learn Java in academics. In a BTech, CSC, CSAT students already learned Java. They written exam also, they passed it also, they got 70% student, they got 70% marks also. But they are unable to write programs. Reason? Learning style. Learning style major role acts to get a subject. That learning style also I teach. See, after completion of BTech, MCA, MTech also, students are unable to write programs. Reason? Learning style. The way of learning is wrong. That is the reason they are unable to write programs. Whatever faculty taught, that program, first line to last line, they are by hearting, they are writing. But if they ask new program, they cannot write. It's happening. So whatever faculty taught, those programs they'll write. Those programs also, how they are writing, first line to last line, they are by hearting writing. But if they ask new program, they cannot write. Reason, learning style is wrong. Here, if you learn my programs, my programs only can write. If you learn my way, any program you can write. The way I'll teach, that is you have to follow. Okay. If you learn my programs only can write. If you learn my way of programming, then any program you can write. So what you have to learn in classroom, my way, not program. With that way, not only my programs, new programs also you can write. Okay. And here, logical part, programming part is most important for your career. Theoretically, everyone is perfect. Okay. Every BTech student is perfect theoretically. But logically, programmatically only they are weak. Suppose one line notes if I give, that line, every student will make it one paragraph. Every student is perfect to make paragraphs. One line notes, they'll make it one paragraph also, on page also. That is happening. In a BTech, that is only happened. Majority people, they are writing theory, pages, paragraphs. But what software company requires? Logic, programming. Theoretically, everyone perfect. But logically, many people, they are weak. That's what I'll explain the way you learn. See, every day I'll interact with you. This type of logical questions also I'll ask. Suppose, for example, byte A equal to 5, byte B equal to 3, byte C equal to A into B. Or like here, system.out.println C. If I write, this is one small code snippet. It is not a program. It is small logical code snippet. Now, this type of questions, they'll ask in a written test. Suppose character A equal to capital A. Like integer B equal to small a. System.out.println B. This type questions. These are called logical questions. Logical part. See, in software company, in written test, this type of questions they'll ask. This type of questions. What they'll ask? This code they'll give. Like question may be, will it compile or not? Will it executes or not? If compiles and executes, what will be the output? If not compiles, in which line error is there? If not executes, which line error is there? That error can we solve or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If it is not possible, why it is not possible? This type questions they'll ask in a software company. But what students are learning? Pages, paragraphs, theory. Again, they are asking, jobs are not there. Students are saying jobs are not there. Companies are saying skilled persons are not there. Like students are saying jobs are not there. Companies are saying skilled persons are not there. Every student perfect to write theory only. But logically they are weak. BTech with 90%, they are unable to write these exams. It's happening. Because are they asking this type of question in a BTech? No. BTech exam pattern different, software company exam pattern different. It is not matching. If it is matched, who will come to Amirpet? No one will come to Amirpet. Okay? If it is matched, then from college to directly company. So what they are asking, what software companies are conducting, what universities are conducting exams, pattern is not matching. Students are learning theory and program, companies are asking logic. So this type of questions in a software company they'll ask. You should familiar with logically. Logically, if you are perfect, 100 lines program also you can write, 1000-line program also you can write. That's what companies are asking, this type of questions. Questions also like this only. Will it compile or not? Will it executes or not? If compiles and executes, what will be the output? If not compiles, there is an error. If not executes, in which line error? That error can we solve or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If it is not possible, why? This type questions are software company questions. Okay. On this, you need to focus more and more. Logically, if you are strong, theory also you can write, program also you can write. That's what companies are giving highest priority for logical questions. So these type questions, what students are doing, you observe. What student will think it is A equal to 5, it is B equal to 5, it is byte, it is byte, it is byte. 5 into 3, 15. It is output 15, they'll write. Actually, that is error. Here what student will think it is character, it is integer. Communication not possible, it's error, they'll write. Actually, that is possible. They'll write reverse. So actually, it is error in Java. It is valid. But students will write reverse. That one valid, they'll write. This one error, they'll write. But actually, that is error, this is valid. This is only logic. Here, actually here, byte, if you multiply, result is integer in Java. Integer, if you assign to byte, explicit conversion required. Otherwise, error. That's what error. That is many people, they don't know. But BTech, 90%. Software company different, BTech different. It is not matching. Any academic course, BTech or BCom or BSc Computer Science, all are eligible for software courses. But pattern is different. It is not matching. Here, character to integer, ASCII code communication is there. That's what it is valid. It is compiled successfully, it is executed successfully, you'll get output 65. It is valid. So, this type questions are most important for your career. Okay. Here, you need to put more efforts on this type questions only. I'll teach everything, I'll cover. Okay. I'll teach theoretically, logically, programmatically. All approaches I'll teach. Okay. But you should have a patience. Within a one day, all not possible. Okay. Within a one day only, you cannot understand those code snippets. Just I have shown sample. Okay. Like after teaching, if I ask any code snippet, you will be able to give answer. Okay. It is possible. Say morning to evening, 5 batches I am teaching. Majority of the students, they are giving answers. Like that, from your batch also, I'm expecting. Like that only you have to give answer. You have to put efforts, you have to work hard. If I ask question, majority people, they are ready to give answer. It is possible. Starting 1-2 days, it is difficult appears. But after that, it will be, you'll get it logical thinking, you can give answers. It is possible. But you should have some patience. Patience is most important. Within a one day, logic is not possible. That's what I'll do. I'll teach concept after teaching this type of code snippets. Suppose, for example, this is one code snippet. That is type conversion code snippet. About type conversion, 56 code snippets possible. 56. Out of 56, myself, I'll teach only 3. I'll explain the concept. I'll give 3 examples. Remaining 53, you can give answer. It is possible. Learning style. It is the most important. That's what, how to learn. It's the most important. I'll teach. Okay. Say, one person only daily 1 hour only will learn, he'll get a subject. One more person, morning to night, is working hard, but is not getting subject. One person, daily 1 hour only learn, he'll get a subject. One more person, morning to night is working hard, but is not getting subject. Reason, this person knows how to learn. Within a 1 hour only is getting subject. How to learn, if you know, very quickly can learn. If you don't know how to learn, morning to night also you work hard, your hard work is wasted. So learning style most important for your career. That is also I'll teach. Okay. But you should have a patience. Immediately not possible all. Within a one class only, all not possible. You should have a more patience. Okay. Everything I'll cover. Theoretically, I'll cover. Logically, I'll cover. Programmatically, I'll cover. Running notes I'll give. Diagrams I'll explain. PDF files I'll share in Google Classroom. And weekly one test I'll conduct. Weekly one assignment I'll give. These all you have to follow. Then only you'll get a subject. No test, no assignment means you will not get a subject. So every day I'll interact, as well as weekly one test I'll conduct. Weekly exam also, this type questions only. Online students also, offline students also, all people. What I'll do, 10 questions this type I'll give. 10 questions. 10 minutes time I'll give. Within 10 minutes you have to write answers. Just 1 minute, one question, that's it, possible. Okay. 10 questions I'll give. 10 minutes time I'll give. At the time, you have to write answers in your notebook. Online students also, offline students also. You have to write notes in a notebook, you have to write. After 10 minutes, I'll give answers. How many you written right? How many you written wrong? You check it. How many marks you got it? You will check it. You'll understand your status. Weekly status also I'll show you. With that, you'll get a logical skills. That way, I'm going to explain. That way, you have to work hard. Okay? You need to put efforts. Faculty role, 30%. Student role, 70%. So, your role is most important. My role is less. Your role is important. Myself, I'm teaching to all students same. But some students are getting, some students are not getting, means depends upon practice. That's what, lots of practice required. Okay. So in my class, majority people will give answer like that. From every batch, I'm expecting that one only. That is my intention. End of the course, you should be able to write written tests. You should be able to write program. You should be able to give answer in interview. You should be able to develop project. That way I'll cover. But you should have a patience to learn subject. You have to put efforts. Then only possible. So weekly test. That is also sudden test I'll conduct. I won't inform. When I am going to conduct, Monday to Saturday, one day test will be there. Okay. I'm not going to inform. If I inform, many people are absent. That's what I won't inform. Sudden test. Okay. Surprise test I'll conduct. At the time, you should be ready. For any day, you should be ready. Monday to Saturday, one day test will be there. But total class is not test. 10 minutes only test. Remaining again class I'll continue. Okay. Like that will be there. 10 questions this type I'll give. 10 questions. You have to predict the output. If error is there, error you have to write. Output is there, output you have to write. That is your right. After 10 minutes only, I'll explain, I'll give answers. After that, again, class will be continued. That day, not only test. Okay, test will be there, class will be there, continued. And weekly one assignment I'll give. 1 week time I'll give. Within a 1 week, you have to complete. And even if you don't get, every week I'll discuss again about that assignment. Like that. Until completion of the course. Weekly one test, weekly one assignment. With that, if I conduct like that, you will get a logical thinking, you will get a programming skills, then you will be able to give answers in interview also, you will be able to write written test also, you will be able to develop project also, you will be able to write any Java program. That is I'm going to cover. Okay. But you have to put efforts, you have to work hard. It is compulsory. Okay. So today, first of all, I'll explain what exactly full stack Java. Because what exactly full stack Java, all people, they do not know. That is I'll explain first. Today class is just what is full stack Java. That is I'll explain. Okay. See, full stack Java. Full stack Java. What is full stack Java? First I'll explain. What is full stack Java? I'll explain. Okay. After that, online students, My voice is not clear. My voice is clear or not clear? Online students, clear? Okay, okay. So 1-2 members means problem may be your side. 1-2 members means problem may be your side. Okay. Those who didn't get clear voice, you re-log in. Okay. Now, this is like course learning path also I'll explain, because see how many courses are there in this course name is full stack Java, but full stack Java means not complete Java. Complete Java means only first one. This is called complete Java. Other than Java also is there. Now that's what today. First of all, I'll explain what is full stack Java. Okay. Now, what is full stack Java? First I'll explain. Okay. Now, the word full stack Java, this is I'll explain. Say, if you want to develop one application, Java especially made for internet applications. Java came and exists in the market in 1995 for developing internet applications. Internet applications purpose, till in the industry, Java is a #1 programming language. Till in the industry, Java booming for developing internet applications. How long internet will be there in the market? Up to that, Java will be there. So Java is a evergreen subject. If you put efforts for Java, you will never lose. Growth will be there. Java is a evergreen subject. How long internet will be there in future? Up to that, Java will be there. Your efforts are not wasted if you put efforts for Java. Okay, that much growth is there. Say, internet usage in future, will it comes down? Never. Internet usage day by day increasing. In a family, 5 members are there, means 5 mobiles will be there. Mobile internet connections will be there. Everyone is using mobile. Everyone using internet. So, internet usage, that much usage is there. Now, what exactly full stack Java? With one example, I'll explain. Okay. What is core Java? What is advanced Java? What is Java EE? What is Java ME? What is Java FX? Everything I'll cover. First of all, what is full stack Java? Just observe. Now, what I'm going to explain is what is full stack Java. I'm going to explain. Listen with more concentration. If any doubts are there, end of the session I'll clarify your doubts. Suppose it's on server. Okay. Server nothing but it's on software. Server nothing but on software. In this software, applications will deploy. One example, online results application I'll take. Now, what purpose I'm explaining this diagram? To understand what is full stack Java. To understand what is full stack Java. That purpose I'm explaining. Okay. Now, even what is server, if you don't know also I'll teach. No need to worry. Everything I'll cover. Word by word, line by line in a program, everything I'll cover. No need to worry. Because here different categories of students will be there. Non-IT students, IT students. Non-computers, computers. All our categories will be there. That is my duty. I have to take care about all students. Some students are CSC, CSCIT background. Some students are non-IT. They don't know even C language, core Java, fundamentals also. Like that also. Some more students, working students will be there. Working employees will be there. Pursuing students will be there. Job seekers will be there. All categories of students will be there. I'll take care about all students. No need to worry. Okay. Even if you are working employee also, for you, whatever required also I'll cover. Everything I'll cover. No need to worry. If you are pursuing student also, if you are job seeker also, if you are working employee also, for all people, whatever they required, I'll take care. No need to worry. Okay. Now, suppose it's on server. Server nothing but it is not a computer. Server is on software. In that software, internet applications will deploy, will upload. For example, one application, enter hall ticket number. Okay, it is one application. Enter hall ticket number. We'll enter one hall ticket number. We'll click on submit button. This is a one graphical user interface. Okay, enter hall ticket number. Hall ticket number will enter submit button. Online internet, online results application. Any one example. With that examples, you'll get a more clarity about full stack Java. Okay, see, enter hall ticket number. You'll enter hall ticket number. You'll click on submit button. Then one more program open. Here, hall ticket number displayed. Name of the candidate displayed. And C language marks displayed. C++ marks displayed. Java marks displayed. Like this. It's a one more graphical user interface. See, while doing academic courses, this application you have seen, your results you have seen in online. Like in an online, you have seen like this. Here, this data will not be present in a server. The data present in database. It is one more software. It is one more software. Even what is server, what is database, even if you don't know, I'll cover. No need to worry. It's on database. It's a one more software. With this diagram, what I'm going to teach is what is full stack Java I'm going to teach. Okay. After that, I'll explain everything. I'll give notes also. See, this server and database, these two softwares. Server is not a computer. Database is not a computer. Server is on software. Database is on software. This database contains data, huge amount of data, large amount of data, like zettabytes, petabytes data, not only terabytes. That much data can be stored. You observe, you take any server in real time, Gmail, Yahoo, Facebook, like WhatsApp server, any server you take, Amazon server, Flipkart server, any server, huge amount of data will be there. That's what database diagram will write like a container. It can store the data permanently. Huge amount of data. See, observe Facebook. In a Facebook server, they'll maintain one database. How much data is there in Facebook server? See, in your home PC, your photos, videos, emails, graphics, whatever is there, all you are uploading in Facebook, no? 1 GB also people are uploading. But like you, worldwide, how many people are uploading? 200 plus crores of people using Facebook. 200 plus crores. Then how much data will be there in Facebook server? Whatever is available in the market, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, 5 terabytes, that hard disk not enough for our institute students also. Okay, that hard disk not enough for our institute students also. Then how much data will be there in Facebook server, in a WhatsApp server, Gmail server? 10 years back, mail also still it is there in the mailbox. No one is deleting mail. That is there permanently in the database. 10 years back, mail also you can see in Gmail. It is there. No one is deleting. No, who will think about database? Who will think about server database? If it is in your mobile data is full, you will remove your mobile. Your mobile memory is full, you will remove all. But who will think about server? No one will think about server. No one will think about database. They'll maintain continuously like that only. Okay. Now, this database contains data. The data organized in the form of tables. Suppose results table. In this table, hall ticket number, name of the candidate, C language marks, C++ marks, Java marks, like this we have. Okay. Here, hall ticket number, name of the student, C language marks, C++ marks, Java marks. Suppose hall ticket number 101, name of the student, marks of the student, like this, data organized in a database in the form of tables. data organized in a database in the form of tables. Table contains fields and records. Like this, data will be there. Okay, like this, data will be there. Now you observe, server is a one software. Database, it is a one more software. Database software contains the data. The data organized in the form of tables. What table contains? Fields and records. This hall ticket number, name, C, C++, Java, those are called fields. These are called records. Fields and records both will be there in the database in the form of tables, because it is one software. That software can organize. That's what organized data. We'll call it as database. Server, applications will upload in server, like a Gmail, Yahoo, Facebook, that type, one server. Now you are using clients. Client. Now it's a one client. It's a one more client. It's a one more client. Now client can be anywhere in the world. Client can be anywhere in the world. Server can be anywhere in the world. Communication possible. Suppose client is in Hyderabad, server is in US. Communication possible, no? Like that. So here it's a client. Client 1, client 2, client 3. Like this. Here client also, it is nothing but one browser software. It is also one software. It is also one software. In this browser, you'll type gmail.com, yahoo.com, google.com, like that you'll type, no? Then your request pass it to server. Then this page comes here. So in this browser, you'll type this URL. Then this page comes. You'll enter some hall ticket number. You'll click on submit button. Then this program will execute. What this program will do, it communicates with database. Given hall ticket number is there or not, it will check. It will check. Hall ticket number, suppose 101 given. This data loaded in this page. Again, this output comes here. So like this working. Again, from this browser, one more person, you will type some hall ticket number. So here also you will type, first you'll type URL, then communicates with server. Then this page comes. You'll type some hall ticket number, communicates with database. This data loaded, it is comes here. Same style here. One more person. You will type some URL. It is. That is communication going on. Now see, like this. You observe, these all clients, nothing but browsers. This is server. It is one software. Database, it's one more software. Browser, server, database, all can be in one computer also. 3 different places also. One is in Hyderabad, one is in US, one is in UK also possible. Worldwide, server can be anywhere in the world. Client can be anywhere in the world. Database can be anywhere in the world. Communication possible. That is only power of internet. Okay, internet applications. Now, say once if the application is in server, that application, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That is a power of internet application. One application, if it is deployed on server, that application, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That is the power of internet application. That purpose Java came. Java especially made for internet application. Number one for internet applications. 2023 also Java position number one for developing internet applications. 95 released, 95 onwards, 2023 also for developing internet application, number one position. That is Java. So one application, once if it deploy in server, that application, any number of people at a time can access. For example, google.com website is there. Google search engine. Worldwide, per minute, how many people are accessing? Do you know? Within a 1 minute, 2.5 crores of requests coming to Google. 2.5 crores. Within a 1 minute, not one day. Within a 1 minute, 2.5 crores of requests coming to Google. But application one only, it will process at a time n number of requests. That is the power of internet application. That purpose Java came. That purpose Java number one. Why Java number one? There are so many other technologies. I'll teach. Okay. See, this type of internet applications, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. Now, actually today, what purpose this diagram I'm teaching is to understand what is full stack Java. Okay. Now, this is a diagram. Now, I'll explain. Say the diagram I saved. I'll open again. Now, this is a diagram. You observe here this type of graphical user interface. If you want to develop, first of all, we required HTML. HTML, hypertext markup language. That this type of page, if you want to design, that type of page, if you want to design, HTML required, hypertext markup language. With that language, you can design that graphical user interface. Possible. That page, if you want to design more attractive, CSS required. Cascading style sheet. CSS. Cascading style sheet. See, this page, if you want to design, HTML required. More attractive if you want to design, CSS required. Because attraction also most important. Whichever website is having more graphics, more attractive, that will become popular. Attraction also important. So CSS. Now, suppose here hall ticket numbers are digits are there. Suppose user by mistake alphabets entered. Assume. But client is in Hyderabad, server in US, and your hall ticket number by mistake alphabets entered. That is invalid hall ticket number. But again, what will happen? Client to server password. Then server will check that it exists or not. If not exists, invalid hall ticket number. First of all ticket number is all digits are there. But by mistake, you written alphabets. If alphabets is there, first that number is, that is format is wrong. No? That suppose 104 is not there. 104 is there or not, checking later. First format is wrong. Okay. That is not invalid hall ticket number, you know. That type of validations. Before sending to server only, you can check it with JavaScript. JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery, these are possible. JavaScript. Like client will send to server. Client is in Hyderabad, server in US, your request password there, again it will check in database, it is not there, invalid comes. But first of all, format only wrong. Already you know it is invalid. Before sending to server only, you can validate here. Possible with JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery, JSON, this type of technologies. These are all possible. JavaScript required, validation purpose. Like this, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Ajax, jQuery, JSON, these all comes under UI technologies. UI modules. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery, JSON, Angular, Bootstrap. These all comes under one module. Actually, this is one course actually. This is one course, UI technologies, one course. And if you join as a, if after learning this one also jobs are there, then you'll get a job, UI developer. That is one person duty. He will take care only HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular, Ajax, jQuery, JSON, these only. That one person is called UI developer. Okay, one person. After that, this program is then this program receiving hall ticket number from client, communicating with database, receiving hall ticket number, that is servlets or filters or listeners or JSP. These are server-side programs. Servlet, filter, listener, JSP, these are server-side programs. Communicating with database, JDBC. It is JDBC. So JDBC, servlets, filters, listener, JSP. These all comes under advanced Java. For these all, core Java required. Now, this is one more person will take care. This person is called Java programmer. Okay. Java programmer. This person is called UI developer. So this person is familiar with this module, UI Java modules. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Start. These are so many are there. These all. So one person is responsible for this type of programs. That person is called UI developer. One more person responsible for this type of programs. That person is called Java programmer. Java programmer. Okay. After that, this communicating with database, no, database doesn't know Java. Database knows SQL, PLSQL, structured query language. That is if you write inside the procedure, PLSQL, with procedures and function, that database concepts required. That person is going to write SQL queries, PLSQL queries. Database designer is responsible for that one. Is one more person, database designer. And after that, application completed. But whether it is running or not properly, we have to test. Tester. Like this one. Manual testing. Nowadays, automation, Selenium tool. With tool only can test whether that application running properly or not. Like JUnit, there are also some modules. These all will be there. See, here, after checking, this is, if it is in your home PC, only you can access. If you copy in real-time server, worldwide accessible. Then if you want to copy, development tools required. If you want to provide security to your application, security tools required. If you want to perform operations, operations tools required. That is only development, security, operations tools. These all required. Those only Maven, Gradle, Log4j, AWS, CloudWatch, this type of things. These all is called deployer. So for you, it is appears like a very simple application. You are typing hall ticket number, you are getting result. Nothing will appears. But if you want to develop this one, these many things required. You observe. For designing this page, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery, JSON, these all required. One person is responsible that type of programs only. He is called UI developer. One more person is responsible for this type of programs. He is called Java programmer. One more person is responsible for database queries. He is called database designer. One more person is going to test the application. He is called tester. One more person responsible to deploy in real-time servers. He is called deployer. 5 members team is going to develop this type of applications. But nowadays, instead of recruiting 5 members, they are recruiting one person who knows these all. That person is called full stack Java developer. Okay, full stack Java developer means all you should know. Then you will become as full stack Java developer. Nowadays, huge demand is there for full stack Java course. So instead of recruiting 5 members, they are going to recruit one person. That person only should know these all. That person is called full stack Java developer. Okay, these all you are going to learn in this course. Okay, but these many courses, how much time it will take to learn? Okay, huge demand is there in the market for full stack Java developers. Like, if you learn these all, your growth in a job also growth will be there, good package also will get it, good designation also will get it, huge demand is there. These all, if you want to learn these all, how much time required? Say, course duration, it is 4 to 5 months required. 4 to 5 months. 4 to 5 months also, daily one class if you learn 4 to 5 months, not possible. Minimum 3 classes. 3 classes if you learn per day. Per day, 3 sessions you have to attend. Then it is possible. So present year, core Java, this class. So not only myself, I'm not going to cover all. Other faculties will cover. No need to worry about other faculties also. In a wonderful team is there in Naresh IIT. Okay, all courses, everything powerful, not need to worry. Okay, like all people are experienced only, no need to worry. See, one core Java class, one more HTML class, one more SQL class. These 3 parallelly you have to start. 3. Okay, per day 3 classes. In a Naresh IIT, morning 6 o'clock to night 10 o'clock classes are there. Okay, morning 6 o'clock to night 10 o'clock. In these timings, what are the timings are suitable? Suppose core Java, now you are attending. This is core Java class timing. Core Java class timings. 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Okay, Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. In this 6 to 7:30, Monday to Saturday. This is 60 to 75 days it will take. Okay, parallelly HTML, CSS, JavaScript batch you will learn. Parallelly SQL, PLSQL, Oracle class you will learn. 3 sessions parallelly you will attend. Once if it is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, if it is completed, immediately you can join in Bootstrap, Angular. That is year. This is just a 2 months it will finish. 45 days to 2 months it will finish. Then you will continue this one. That will complete in a 4 months. That is one session will complete. Year, once if it is exception handling completed, parallelly you can join in advanced Java class. Once if it is Servlets completed, you can join in Spring class also parallelly. Once if it is year, manual testing, this core Java, if it is completed, you can join in Selenium class, manual testing, Selenium, these all tools will be there. These all very quickly you can learn. Just 2 days, 3 days, one tool, 2 days, 3 days, one tool will be there. These all very quickly can learn. Like that, per day 3 sessions if you attend, total course is going to be completed in a 4 to 5 months. Total course is going to be completed in 4 to 5 months. Suppose for you not possible to attend 3 classes, 2 classes if you attend, it will take 6 to 7 months. Per day 1 session only if you attend, It will take 9 to 10 months also. Okay. But huge demand is there, and depends upon your convenient. You can join. Now, 3 sessions per day, 4 to 5 months. If you put efforts, if you work hard, later, not only for full stack Java developer job purpose, you can search for tester also, you can search for UI module also, you can search for development deployer also, different courses, different jobs also you can search, possible. But full stack Java, huge demand is there. Once if you get it, these all, you can work in a software company, on any platform, any company, anything, you can do it. That's what this course is designed by NASCAM people. NASCAM people, that information also I'll provide. This course, all future skills program, what software company requires, those all prepared by NASCAM people. That information also I'll provide. Even NASCAM certificate also will get it. Total in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, only our institute having collaboration with NASCAM. That NASCAM certificate also will get it. After that, they'll conduct one exam. You have to write. Once if you pass, you'll get a NASCAM certificate also. That is non-profitable organization. I'll explain that information also tomorrow class. So, with that, what will happen? It is huge demand is there for full stack Java developer. You can search for full stack Java job also. You can search for UI modular, UI developer also, tester also, different platforms you can search. Okay. This is about full stack Java. But here you are learning 6 to 7:30 core Java, 6 to 7:30 Monday to Saturday. So here this class time is 6 to 7:30 Monday to Saturday, 60 to 75 days. Remaining courses schedule also I'll provide. And suppose one batch is going to start Oracle batch, so some timing is there. The timing not suitable to you. Next week you can join. Weekly one batch will be there. No need to worry. Suppose this week 2 o'clock is there. Next week maybe 4 o'clock will be there. Next week maybe morning 7 o'clock will be there. Next week morning 9 o'clock will be there. Weekly one batch will be there. No need to worry. Weekly or 10 days one batch, new batch will be there. Okay. Now present you can continue in core Java class. Whenever new Oracle Java class is there, you can join. New HTML batch is there, you can join. If timing is not suitable, wait for next batch. Within a 1 week, 10 days, one more batch will be there. No need to worry. Suppose you are to join only core Java also you can continue. Okay. This is about full stack Java. Okay. Today, just I explained about course. Tomorrow, what is Java, what is core Java, what is advanced Java, what is J2EE, what is the difference, and even how to learn Java. How to learn Java most important. That is also I'll cover. Okay. These all I'll explain in tomorrow class. Okay. Sharp tomorrow 6 o'clock you will see continuation. Okay.